Hi everyone. So I came across some concerns that people brought up on YouTube with regards to the camera noise on the Mavic Pro that made some areas within the camera's field of view look soft and out of focus. Some suggested that it has something to do with the camera autofocus, while others suggested that it has something to do with the in-camera sharpening. So I decided to do my own test. For the purpose of this test, the following parameters are fixed for every frame to ensure consistency. Therefore, the only variables would be the camera style, which controls the in-camera sharpening. To change the camera style, just click on this icon to bring up the camera setting menu. And next, select style. I'm gonna jump straight to custom and key in my own values, in this case 0 or +1. So what's the final verdict? Is there any significant difference between 0 in camera sharpening versus +1 in camera sharpening? Honestly, I cannot tell any difference, so I guess I'll be fine with either option. Anyhow, you guys be the judge, so let's check him out.